Hey everyone! Today we're diving into why you should never ignore that little check engine light on your dashboard. Stick around to learn about the 10 dangers of disregarding an OBD2 code. Reduced fuel efficiency. Ignoring an OBD2 code can lead to reduced fuel efficiency. Issues with the engine or emission control systems can cause your vehicle to burn more fuel, increased emissions. Neglecting OBD2 trouble codes can increase your vehicle's emissions, harming the environment and potentially causing you to fail emissions tests. Engine damage. Some OBD2 codes signal serious engine problems. Ignoring them can lead to costly engine repairs or even major engine failure. Expensive repairs. Delaying repairs can make problems worse and more expensive. What starts as a minor issue can turn into a significant expense. Reduced performance. Ignoring certain codes can decrease your vehicle's performance, causing reduced power, rough idling, or poor acceleration, risk of stalling or breakdowns. Critical engine components can fail if OBDII codes are ignored, increasing the risk of stalling or breakdowns. Voided warranty. Failing to address OBD2 codes promptly can void your vehicle's warranty, as manufacturers require proper maintenance. Unresolved safety issues. Some codes relate to safety-critical systems like airbags or anti-lock brakes. Ignoring them can put your safety at risk. Legal consequences. In some areas, driving with an unresolved OBD2 code can be illegal, leading to fines or penalties. Unknown underlying issues. Ignoring an OBD2 code means ignoring a symptom of a bigger problem. Addressing it promptly can prevent further damage and identify other issues. The next time your check engine light comes on, don't ignore it. Get it checked out by a qualified mechanic to save money and ensure your vehicle's safety and reliability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tips.